Hey everyone, a short video today about a quirk with the shape block. I mentioned that in my previous summary video, but this is something that keeps cropping up, and so I thought I'll just have a video specially dedicated to this issue. If you have a look at this shape here, this is a shape block, using this particular, arc shape. And you can see down here, there is a black line. So this is just really weird. This is basically, if you go into the shape block and you just have a square, it doesn't do that, So if you see now it snaps perfectly to the section below. And this, by the way, is using the setting where I untoggle the fill screen option here. So untoggling that or turning it off basically removes any padding of the section to the adjacent sections. And that can be nice, if we want to have an effect like this, for instance. I quite like this one. But yeah, so the shape block is just really weird in this regard. It works fine if it's a square, but as soon as, we choose one of these other shapes here that basically have an even edge at the bottom, yeah, see there, it does that again, it has that like 1 pixel gap, so just something to be aware of. I'm sure many people probably won't even really notice that. But like I said before, I'm just a stickler for this kind of stuff. So what if I want to use, this particular shape here, because I really like it. And how do I address this? Well, what I have done, there might be another solution out there that I haven't seen yet, but I just use a text block. Because the text block doesn't actually do that. So here, I just have a text block, that is empty. And then I just use a corner radius, to get this effect. And that works fine. So you can play around with the corner radius here. Obviously, for some of the other shapes, that won't quite work. But for this particular one, that works really well. So yeah, Squarespace have been notified of this, and hopefully this will get fixed at some point. Thank you so much.